right, so we got ourselves an RC Shark. It's a great white. We've already taken it out of the box. Ryder's been messing with it since he's over 6 years old.
I'm 7, because my birthday was a couple months ago.
Yeah. It's got a little remote. Simple enough, right?
Yep.
What do the buttons do?
This one, how you turn it on and off. This is how you make it go fast, and this is steering.
Steering. And then the Shark itself needs to be charged using a USB.
Yes.
But the remote uses AAA batteries, I believe.
And
the Shark.
How to turn this on. There is an auto, which you would push down and pull back, as so, like this. Okay. And
it's got a sensor that sensors when it's in water, so the little blades, the little fans turn on.
Yeah, and start.
Otherwise, they don't turn on when it's not in water.
And off, which is right here. Do the exact same thing, but move it into the middle and turn it on. You're gonna wanna push it up.
So on means you are controlling it with the remote, and it's in auto. It just kind of swims around on its own. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's waterproof. It can go underwater. So far, we haven't had any issues with it.
Well, it can't go underwater because it can't swim underwater.
Yeah, it floats back up to the surface when it goes underwater. Pretty cool. Let's look at the design of this thing.
It can move its tail.
It's got a little mouth.
And
yeah, the tail moves.
To swim. And also, the blood here, which is fake, when you go in the water, if you push it under and then bring it back up, red water will start to come out of the mouth.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's got little fans on the sides there. That's what propels it. It's not very fast, but it's fast enough. It's not going to be for your oceans or lakes with big waves or anything like that. It's good for a little pool, something with not any current, because it's not going to be able to swim against the current. But yeah, pretty neat. It's fun. I'll show you some video of it swimming around in the water. Stay tuned.